So I've got this plan where I'm going to cook a rack of ribs on this pole that I have stabbed in the ground at my fire pit. So I'm going to build a fire at the base of that pole and put the ribs on that pole. Strap them to it with some steel wire. One of the things you have to do with ribs, we're going to cook ribs on the fire pit tonight. While they're cooking, I'm going to be working on the cabin. You got to pull this membrane off the back. And sometimes it's hard to get a hold of, but if you grab a paper towel and grab it, and then you can just peel it, and that membrane just comes right on off. Some people don't pull it off. I think it looks better when you pull it off. And you don't have to fight with it later either. And there's the membrane. So I'm going to hang these ribs on a pole at my fire pit. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take this wire and run it through them. So I'm going to go ahead and get this wire run through it. And I'm just going to go in between the meat on one end like that. And I'm going to go through and I just take this barbecue rub and I sprinkle it really heavy on. So here's the plan, y'all. I'm gonna take this. Slide down, and then we'll tighten them up. Charcoal. And that's it. That's ribs on the fire pit at the Cedar Cabin. Do me a favor, y'all. Subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. And I really enjoyed making this video from the Cedar Cabin. Have an awesome day, y'all. I'm going to let it sit in there for a little while.